Hey everybody, welcome back to a special edition of Pacific Northwest Prospecting. So today is an awesome day. I'm going to be picking one of you using a random comment generator online to win some prizes because 2 weeks ago we reached 1,000 subscribers. But what are the prizes? Well, we have a banjo pan from the Gold Cube maker, Mike Pung. We have a magnet. Now this goes on the end of your drill and you use it underneath your pan to help separate out that black sand. This is made by a creator named Coulter Young. You can go on his website called miningmagnets.com. I recommend checking him out. This was just his very first model he ever came up with, but there's a lot of cool stuff on there. Now this is important for you because some of the other gifts will need this. Now this black sand here really doesn't have much magnetics in it, but it's got a lot of gold. This you're going to need to pan out really slow and be really careful with it. And you're probably going to want to save every speck of this sand and pan it out again in the future, and I guarantee you're going to find more gold. But this sand right here, this is from the mouth of the Columbia River, and this has a lot of magnetics in it. So you're going to want to use that magnet to separate out as much of the black sand as you can away from this before trying to pan it out and get the gold. Because just like the gold in this vial, the gold in here is very fine. This is a lot of what we get here in the Pacific Northwest when we're beach mining. This was just from inside the river before it made it out to the ocean. So let's get over to the computer and find ourselves a winner, because I'm excited to find out who did.
Alright guys, so this is the website I've chosen to use today. This is pickawinner.co. We're going to go ahead and put in the link. We're going to say anything goes. We're not going to allow duplicates. Alright, so we have 83 comments. Are you ready, guys? Who's the winner? Oh, no way. Nohili Sai McCoy. Oh, I am so excited for this winner. This is a little guy over in Kauai, Hawaii right now. And him and his dad are going to be super excited to pan out this gold. Congratulations, Nohili. I am super excited for you.
All right. So I am super excited about that winner. Like I said, I got a lot of great comments, but it's really nice to see that a kid won this gold. So Nohili Sai, make sure to leave a comment down below and I will get a hold of you and we will get this sent off to you and your dad. So thank you everyone for tuning in. Thank you everyone for subscribing and liking my channel. It means the world to me. 2021 is going to be a new year. Hopefully things get a lot better for everyone and hopefully everybody can get out, find some gold, or go rock hounding, do whatever you like to do. Don't let people stop you. Get out there and enjoy your day. So until next time, guys, thank you and bye.